So, hi everyone, welcome to Scratch game. Now let me teach you about the Scratch. Here, this is the code block of the player. So, it needs more level, another level. So let's go to costume. This is the costume enter. So we'll start it now. So we try again. So now there's a little bit more scratches. So we would like it to change. With the little scratches, so we will move it to the project. Now let's go to this. I know it's going to be easy. Leah, I'm not adding it and it's also this is so it's just mobile friendly. So I am not updating this game anymore and it's outdated. Oh, it's taking so long, but don't worry, we still have much time. Oh, it's so we would load it more. We would load it more here. We go in. So it was lagging, taking a long, so we started now. Oh, it's Minecraft. Okay. Etc. Matt back on the track. Etc. Madness. Oh, it cannot be using. Look at this. Oh, wait, press bad. Hey. It's but how can it? But I'm not. So I'm not good at game. So then we would like to look at the scratch. Let's start scratching. Oh, it's a little bit fun, but not enough. Oh, so I can use my mouse. But hey, look at this. Hey, So, see what they got. It's getting difficult. So this is what just at the end of the video. So everyone will listening. We will listening again it again. So bye everyone to listening my video.